I look a little rough, but I went out in the rain looking at vehicles because I want to get something I can haul things in. And so, but anyway, if I have to look adorable every time I make a video, I'll never make one. I was so excited the other day. You know, I ordered all these little dye things for the scissors. What do you call it? Big Shot anyway. I think it's scissors. Okay, and I had these. And this one, there's probably a number or something. Or a name, I don't know. That's the picture on that. And that's the picture on that one. And I made some cute flowers. And my grandson could even make them. And I'll show you how to make one. I'll probably show you this. And then I'll show you how to make one in another video. But, okay, and then I seen they were having another sale, of course, after my big order. So I ordered a few more things. And this was one of them. To me, that flower, yeah, it's okay. But then when I seen the hickory, the dye, I was so excited, and my grandson was too, because I was. Because with these, well, with these and that other one, I would have to put the fabric in and 2 plates. These 2 plates are dyes to get, you know, the different sizes. And then, so I'd have the 2 dyes that I was having to work with. I can show you. And then each petal, I would have to cut a little hole in the center with scissors or something to make my flower. So when I got this, and I realized, I was like, oh my gosh, I can charge less now because it won't take me as much time, you know, for a little flower. I don't know if you can see, well, you can see fabric stuck in the hole of that one. They have little holes in them. And since it makes that wisteria flower, you have the different stages of flowers. You only have to use this one. And it puts the holes in them. So something you need to know if you're going to invest in one of these, or if you already have one. But I'm going to show you. Okay, here's one of the flowers I made. And all my others are at my booth. And what it is, I buy the stems at Dollar Tree that's got the flowers. And I pop the head off, take it apart, and then I put my own fabric from these cutouts. And next I'm going to make a video of that, so you better tune in. You'll miss it. So, let's see. Let's open a new pack of some pretty fabric here. Alright. Okay, and this is already folded up. Well, it might be a little more narrow than that. We'll try it. We'll see. You know, it don't take long for your cutting plate to get that beat up looking either. Because I hadn't even had this thing a long time. Okay, so how many layers is this? That may be too many layers. 1, 2, 3. Now see that? And it might leave some edges. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers. This in. We might have some white edges or some missing petal, but okay. So I need this bottom tray, the dye, the fabric, and top tray. And I should have left a little gap where it's easier to feed it in. Resistance with that many layers. Okay. And let's see. Where's the little one? Let me get my eyeballs on. I like to hold the little one down, like right here. It doesn't look like it cut that many layers at once. Well, anyway, so I don't pull up the little petals and lose them in the... There we go. Good enough. Let's see. The rest of them are fairly big. Okay. See, I left some top off of that one because I was trying to hurry. Oh, but anyway. I might use them anyway. Like, there's one I could use. And, see, if I can cut them this fast, but be a little bit more organized with folding my fabric. And, let me show you. And it already has the hole. That is wonderful. Oh, okay. So I got these cut. I can use these, even if I can't use the big ones. And what I do is I have Ziploc bags with this size, and oh man, I just dropped all those. And so, I'll put these in those bags, but I was wanting to show you. Okay, let me lay it aside over here. Okay, and here I'll show you how I have to do it with the others. And it might not look like that big a deal, but it does take a lot more time. Oh, I cut the Christmas tree on my one I don't want to get the cut marks on. Anywho, okay. But see, normally I would be, because I wouldn't want that shape, I'd be laying like a square here and a square there or something. But got that there. Got this here. See, I can use these too, or I wouldn't be cutting them. This is a good bit of fabric. It takes it a while to get fit in here. Okay. I'll be glad when I get my work areas and stuff organized, if I ever do. Okay, and I didn't cut these because they're right in the middle of it. Where's the itty bitty one? See, I'm gonna hold my finger on it when I pick it up. That way, the little places that hang up, I won't lose my flowers and have to go search through the scraps for it. Alright, oh, I got some of the bigger ones hung up, or all the bigger ones. And there's my scraps. Now the only thing is, that was fairly quick. But each one of these that I make a flower with, I have to get the... See, with the other one, I'm through. So I have to get these. And also, this one, where you at? It cuts out a little dent around there. I guess for decorative purposes to show the middle, but it weakens the fabric. So, like, if you use, like, I tried terry cloth, and it worked, and it was cute. But, like, I could pull, you know, it's cheap terry cloth, a cheap little wash rag out at Dollar General. You could pull the petal off because it makes that little dent. It weakens some of the fabrics, but this one is fine. You can kind of see the holes when I do that, maybe. But okay, so with the other one, I'm done. All I gotta do is build my flower. With these, I have to find the center best I can. It don't have to be perfect. And I have to get my scissors. That was my phone notification thing. And I have to snip a little hole, and I hope I got it big enough, or I have to go back and snip it again. And then the next layer, I have to snip a little hole. Next layer, I have to snip a little hole. And so the other way is so much faster, and I was so excited. I mean, I'm excited about these too. I mean, I was thrilled. This is way faster, even snipping all these little holes. This is way faster than trying to do it by hand. And then I got the big circle things of various sizes. So I can do I forgot what you call it, or the round and you melt the edge. But anyway, I got the round things too. So I just want to show if you're wanting to build flowers on a stem and need a hole in the center and want to cut out the various sizes quickly. I don't know where it tells which thing. Oh, there's the number right there. Anyway, you'll know it when you see it. So that's the one to get. Anyway, now stick around, watch me build a flower now. Bye, y'all.